Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to export picture to PDF in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now you show. Select from any source picture. Now choose from to picture. Now click for open option. Now you show the background in the layer in the font. Now you can see, then you show the picture, this picture. Here are export the PDF. Now you can see, now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from export as option. Now click from PDF option. Now click. Now click from save option. Now you can see, now we find the PDF project option. Now for open. Now we click from mouse right button option. There's it. I can see export picture in Photopea, picture to PDF in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for